All wild animals know to submit before the strong. That's its instinct. For the first time, the kangaroo realized it was just a frog in a well.
Jelly. Jelly. Jelly, come here. Come on. I think he's a little afraid of you, but he wants to know you.
Oh my god, Millie. He's so like... He's so brave.
Prince, what are you doing?
The same problems we did.
You guys look.
They lowered the price to $3.59, and I can't believe we broke into the townhouse market. Like, how did we get here? So what? You know, alongside.
Look at these babies.
Is that bathroom. Step 2.
Sure, it's a wonderful sunny afternoon for a picnic, but not on the cat's own lawn, buddy. When you're grounded, but still have the loyal homies by your side.
Vet du hva spesielt?
Er denne katta så sulten?
Jeg er redd for pus, ja. Man kan sparke den, vet du.
You can truly see the desperation in its eyes, facing your ultimate rival, huh? Just until today does Birdie have a chance to witness the drama queen. What a talent!
Oh, she's like, don't bite my ear off.
When it comes to mischief, this cat has a lot to learn from the rabbits. Who is this guy? Ask him, bro. Who? Oh, he runs away. As a cat's friend, sure it'll have plenty of pranks up its sleeve. At this moment, Cat might have realized he's not the most stubborn animal. Even with a Minister of Foreign Affairs like Capybara, it seems that getting a cat's attention isn't easy. Bet the chickens had to pay lots of food to hire the cat as security. Such dedicated service from a cat isn't easy to get. You're lucky, big boy.
What is that? Oh my God! What is that?
But well, not every cat is a fearless guardian. Sweet snack, buddy. A cat's top daily hobby, teasing everyone just a little. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.